Hey guys, it is October the 18th, 2022, and we're finally going to be able to do a little update on our greenhouse heaters to see if they work. Had a slight little cold front come through last night, only got down to around 50, but tonight it's supposed to get down to around 30-ish. So I'll do an update tonight and in the morning to see how well the greenhouse heaters keep the greenhouse warm. Thank you for watching the videos. The temperatures today only got up to around 65. So I left the greenhouse doors closed earlier, but the sun heated the greenhouse up to over 100 degrees really quickly. So I had to open up the doors and some windows to vent it out. Temperatures dropped back down around 70. It's currently around 63, 64 degrees on the outside. We'll see what the greenhouse temperatures are inside right now. I just shut the doors about 30 minutes ago. The heaters haven't came on yet. So this is still the radiant heat from the sun that's got it warmed up, if any. So we'll see what the temperature is now, come back and check it just a little after dark, and then I'll give you a check tomorrow morning around 7:38 a.m. to see how well the heaters are keeping it warm. Tomorrow morning's supposed to be a little bit colder, probably around 34, 35 degrees, and we'll see how well they're doing. We are right at 70 degrees in the greenhouse now. This is after I opened the vents to let it vent out. This is without the heaters running today. This is just the solar heat that heated it up. I have connected the thermostats. I've got them set on 66 to kick on. I don't want it too warm or too hot in here, but enough to keep the plants warm and protected. Have one of the heaters set up on this end of the greenhouse with the little probe hanging here about chest level in the middle. You don't want the probe touching the outside surface of the greenhouse to get a false reading of the temperature. It gives us the reading of the temperature about that level in the middle. I have the second heater set up back here, and also have this thermostat set on 66 to kick on, and the probe for this one I have suspended in the air here, not touching any outside surfaces, again about chest high. Okay, now it's 6:30 p.m. still October the 18th, 2022. Temperature outside right now is around 55 degrees. Going to see if the heaters have came on their own and what temperature it is inside the greenhouse. Again, 55 degrees on the outside. I had the thermostats on the two heaters set at 66, and as you can see from the thermometer, we're about that temperature. It won't show up on the video, but the reading on the thermostat is 66. Heater is currently kicked off because it hasn't reached the 66 degree temperature mark. And let's see if this heater's running or if it's off. Yeah, it's kicked off also. Also showing 66 degrees. So the heaters are doing what they're supposed to do. So whenever the temperature drops below 66 in here, they will kick back on to bring the temperature back up to that. And we'll do an update in the morning. Should be around 34, 35 degrees in the morning. We'll see what the temperature inside here is then. Okay, it's around 7 a.m. on October the 19th, 2022. Chilly 40 degrees outside. Let's see if the heaters were able to keep the inside of the greenhouse around 66. You can definitely feel the difference inside the greenhouse from the outside temperature of 40 degrees. It's only showing a little over 60. I do have the heater set on 66, and they are running right now. But that thermostat is reading 61. It won't show on the camera the way it reads the digital readout. But it kept everything in here pretty moderate. This one back on this end is reading at 60 degrees. And this heater is running also. Pleased with the results. 40 degrees on the outside, roughly 60 to 62 degrees here on the inside.